What is going on, everyone? I hope you are having an amazing start to the new year. In today's YouTube video, I will be showing you a brand new Amazon product research strategy that can make you over $10,000 in net profit every single month. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamara T, and in this video, I will be showing you the new Amazon FBA product research strategy that can make you over $10,000 in profit every single month. Now let's dive right in. We are not going to waste any time. So in the Amazon.com search bar, I'm just going to type in any random product. And the first product that comes to mind is a water bottle. And let's look for water bottle for sports. All right. If you guys are following along, I suggest you to use a longer tail keyword, because if you look for a main keyword, it's very hard to find products that are more related to if you have like a niche or something that you're interested in. So if you want to sell something related to sports, then obviously water bottle for sports. Same goes for kids toys for age 5, or if you're trying to sell a gym bag, maybe gym bag for women or jade roller for men. You get the idea. What you don't want to type in here is a keyword that is just the main keyword. So you want the most descriptive keyword. So let's head on down, and I'm just going to take any random product, any random one that stands out to me. Let's take this one right here. I know you guys are probably thinking, okay, what is she doing? This is so random, but do not worry, just copy the ASIN. And we are going to head over to Cerebro. So let's go to keyword research and Cerebro reverse product lookup. So what this is going to do is it's going to pull up all of the keywords related to this water bottle right here. By the way, you guys need to have the Helium 10 Chrome extension installed. If your Chrome extension is not installed, then you will not see this information up here. So that is this Chrome extension right here. And make sure you guys are using the Platinum plan in Helium 10, because you will be limited in the number of searches here if you are not on the Platinum plan. To make it easier for you, you can take advantage of this discount. You get 50% off by using the code that you see right here. And I will also link it in the YouTube description below. All right, so let's scroll down, and we are going to sort the search volume from big to small. There are a few steps here, so make sure you guys are on board. And then we are going to go back here, go up a bit, and go to advanced filters. You want to open this up, and we want to exclude the main keyword. So again, if we go back up here, the main keyword is water bottle. Or bottle is a main keyword as well. But water bottle for sports is more a descriptive keyword describing my water bottle. I am only looking for sporty water bottles. So let's just exclude the phrase water bottle. Click on apply. And now you will see all the keywords that are not related to a water bottle, because guess what? Obviously, selling a water bottle on Amazon is a bad idea. You guys know that this product is super saturated, meaning there are so many people selling a water bottle. So obviously, you're not going to sell a water bottle, but you want to find similar keywords around the water bottle that can potentially be your winning product. So let's go down here. That did not look like it filtered. Oh, okay, I see. So right here we have water bottle with no S. So water bottles with an S is popping up right here. But let's take a look at what keywords came up. So what I am trying to look for right here are keywords that are not related to a water bottle. So I'm just going to go with water jug. Water jug is not a water bottle, okay? Now, you can randomly do this as well. Maybe you will pick squeeze bottles. That's not a water bottle. Or collapsible water bottle, that is a water bottle. But if we keep going down, squirt bottle, okay, that's a new one. Anyway, I'm just going to stick with water jug because it has a fair number of searches. And in case you are wondering, search volume means how many times is this keyword searched every month. So water jug is searched over 55,000 times by people online. Now keep in mind that not every single person searching a water jug is a customer. Sometimes people are doing product research, maybe they are window shopping, whatever their case is. So don't think just because this keyword is searched that many times, it equals to that many sales. That's definitely not it. Okay, so now we are choosing water jug and we are going to go back here and go to keyword research again, and we are going to magnet keyword research. So what magnet does is it will pull up all of the related keywords to a water jug. I hope you guys are still with me. There are a few steps and we are going to put in water jug. I actually really enjoy this way to look for products because it's just a lot more fun. We usually do helium-10 black box to look for products. If you guys check out this recent YouTube video, you will see that I use black box to look for products. But today we are only going to be using keywords because this is the new way for 2022. This doesn't mean that black box does not work. Black box works amazingly well if you guys check out that video. But in this tutorial, I only want to focus on keywords because maybe you guys are getting bored of my black box tutorials. So let's see what we have here. All right, and let's scroll down. And you already know what to do. Sort the search volume from big to small. I just like to sort it from big to small because I find it easier to look at. I don't know if that's just me. So let's just do that. Okay, and the very first thing I notice is a repetitive keyword. Can you guys see what it is? Now what you want to do is exclude any keywords that you find that are too repetitive. For example, the word bottle I see popping up over and over again. So bottle, bottles, bottle, bottle, bottles. And if I go down, bottle, bottle, bottles. And you want to exclude that because you will only find bottle related products if you keep that there. So again, go to advanced filters and we are going to exclude bottle. I wish that this was able to exclude bottles with the S as well, like more than one keyword, but let's just use this one for now. And our eyeball will exclude bottles with an S. So what we want to do here is look for any keywords that are not related to water bottles. So right here we have hydro flask. I personally don't like this keyword because as you can see, it's 6 figures in search volume, meaning hydro flask has been searched over 135,000 times per month. And that to me is just way too competitive. Now, if you are a student of mine, you already know the criteria for this. You know the product locator formula for this on how to identify what search volume keywords are good and which ones are bad. But let's keep going down. And I'm just looking for less saturated keywords. So here is a hydro jug. Let's check this out and let's see what it is. And we're going to look at a few here. So obviously we're not selling spring water. That's just weird. Ooh, sugar dispenser. And let's look at one more just in case. What is a jerry can? Now we're getting a little too low for the search volume. So let's just stick to those two. Yeah, let's just stick to these two. Okay, so this is a sugar dispenser. I don't have one of these at home, but I don't know if you guys do. I don't know if they're useful. Anyway, the first thing I want to do here is to verify that this product has a potential to make me over $10,000 per month. Now, how do I do that? How do I know that a sugar dispenser will have the potential to put $10,000 and more in my pocket every single month in profit? So you want to take out your helium-10 Chrome extension and then click on X-ray. See, I did not even bother to scroll down the page because there's just way too much information. And this is why Helium 10 is so useful. You can look at everything right in front of you by just one click. So if we sort the revenue from big to small, like that. By the way, a disclaimer for everyone, this is not like a guaranteed type of thing. Obviously, there are so many other steps that come into product research and making money on Amazon, but this is a big part of it, right? Finding that winning product. So if we look at the revenue right here, we can tell that these sellers, this is a big brand, OXO. How do I know that? I've been around Amazon for a long time. But anyways, some of these are big brands. And what we want to look at is a private label seller that is not a big brand, that is making money. So Honey Bee, this one's not a big brand. I just know that based off experience. And they are making over $100,000 in revenue every single month. Now, obviously, when a seller is making this much money per month in revenue, they know what they are doing, meaning they highly, very likely have good profit margins. So a good profit margin, I think nowadays, I would say even over 35%. A 30% profit margin is ideal. Anything more is just amazing. Just like my student Marie right here, I did this success story with Marie, and her net profit margin is over 45%, and she makes over $10,000 every single month. So make sure you check out that YouTube video. She drops some advice for you guys. But anyway, getting back on track over here, if I take the calculator and I enter 113,446, right? Because this is how much this seller is making per month in revenue. And I multiply that by 30%, assuming this seller knows what they are doing, which very highly likely they do. That's why they're a top seller. They are bringing home over $34,000 every single month. So this is well over $10,000 in net profit, right? And all you have to do is find at least a few sellers that make that amount of money, that make over that $10,000 per month profit. Because if private label sellers on Amazon has a chance to do that, then you probably have a chance to make that amount of money as well. This tells me that there is enough money for a sugar dispenser on the Amazon marketplace for me to come in here and take a piece of the pie. So I'm not even going to bother with this hydro jug. Okay, so this is kind of like a water bottle. This is kind of cool. I should buy one of these for myself. Anyways, and that is why we need to look up a few listings, because in case this one did not work out, which it amazingly did, because this YouTube video, I promise you, was not planned, this tells us that this is indeed a very good product. If you guys are new to selling on Amazon and you need help with finding winning products to sell that will make you over $10,000 in profit every single month, then make sure you check out my free training in the YouTube description below. Enter your name, enter your email address, watch the short training, and at the end, you can book a one-on-one call with myself and my team, and we will give you the rundown on how to find these types of products that will potentially make you this much money. It is so important that you find the right product to sell on Amazon, because if you do not find the right product, you are going to lose so much money. So when you are looking at keywords right here, you have to kind of be able to identify, okay, what keywords should I exclude? Well, obviously sports and outdoors is way too vague. We don't want to look at any products with the word bottles, right? And that's why earlier I excluded the word bottle, and you can also exclude bottles with an S. I've been doing this for a few years, you guys, so this was a breeze for me to find a good product to sell. And after when you get through this part, another thing you can do and you should do is use the Helium 10 profitability calculator and get the numbers from your supplier to see if you have a good profit margin. So for example, if I go right here and click on estimate profitability, this calculator will pop up. And all you do is get the numbers from your supplier for dimensions, weight, everything else, and your freight forwarder for manufacturing costs, and make sure that you have over 30% in profit margin. Now this one I did not fill out properly, and that's why it says a 17% profit margin, but make sure when you find a supplier on Alibaba or wherever you go, you do the math, and this number should say over 30%, both of them. The higher the better. Like I said, if you have a higher profit margin percentage, then you will make more money. So why not? What you don't want is a product that has less than 30%, like maybe 28%, but anything less than that, you're not going to be making a lot of money, especially after launching your product and running Amazon PPC sponsored ads. So I hope this new product research strategy was useful to you. If you guys want to check out more Amazon FBA product research tutorials, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a huge thumbs up, and check out my Amazon product research playlist on my channel. I have a lot of other videos teaching you how to find good products to sell on Amazon. Make sure you drop me a comment in the comment section below if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video.